So now let's see how we can work around with calendar interface inside of Microsoft Outlook. So in order to work around with the calendar, first of all, you need to go around onto the calendar section on the left hand side. And once you go around over here, you get to the calendar interface, as you can see. So over here on the top, you get access to different views right here, like week views and month views and so forth. And over here on the top, you get the filter option, share and print option. Here you can see that there is this view right here, and as I click on different dates, you can see that it gets highlighted on the small calendar over here on the left as well. And over here on the left hand side, you can add in more calendars and access out calendars of different account, as you can see. So if I were to go to view and then help right here, then you get calendar specific options just like this, as you can see. So if I were to go to week view, then you got the week view as you can see right here, and you can click on to add an event. And as we progress along through upcoming videos, we're going to look at the major features of the calendar to manage our events and then integrate them with our emails as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.